So today, doors and insulation. Getting the doors done before some bad weather was a bit of a priority for me. I used 3x2s mainly and some spare 4x2s for the other side for both of the doors. I measured the height and width of the openings and half the width. Then I took into consideration a little bit for the hinges and put the frames together. With the amount of leftover cladding, I decided to do a nice herringbone sort of pattern on the doors. It was also quite nice actually being able to work inside the workshop as well. Just making sure everything fits and then vaguely tidying up the edges with a little palm router. I decided to make the doors sort of bifold sort of design, so this is just marking out and then making the recesses for the hinges. Luckily there was two openings to the building at this time, so it was really easy to just move from the back to the front whenever I needed to. The hinges for the outside here were 18-inch gate hinges, which I picked up at Melton Market for a £5. They look the part and are fantastic, and as you can see, everything moved nicely. Right, for now I'm making some makeshift handles for the middle so I can pull and push and close everything up. I just got some 3x2, cut them roughly to the same length, then again got the palm router and just routed out a little channel so I can actually grip them. there you go, the doors are on. They do still need a little bit of fettling. They do catch the bottom the tiniest little bit and require a little brute force and ignorance every now and then, but for just a quick eyeball, a quick tape measure, and just getting them up there, I think these are a pretty good job. So now on to the insulation. What I did, I picked up from Amazon, of all places, something called it's a vapour barrier and a waterproof thermal insulation aluminium foil membrane. 75 square metres of it for 63 quid. Having a quick look at it, it's got everything that I need to keep everything warm, nice and everything like that. And it is apparently as good as about 65mm of Kingspan or an actual proper insulation. I'm pretty happy with that. It went up really fast. I just got a stapler, and hopefully that'll do everything I need. I used a little bit of aluminium tape for all the little joins and everything like that to keep everything nice and tidy. And as you can see, the spare floor panels I had, the OSB, I've started to use on the workshop side as the wall. That's what was going to be anyway, so I might as well start putting them in now, get them out of the way, and start getting everything ready for electrics and a few other bits. So now the inside of the workshop looks like a baked potato. I just want to say thanks for watching. Please subscribe, you know how to do that. Like and comment if you have any questions or want to say something. Alright, cheers.